What's the meaning of blowfly? Blowfly. Blowfly.
Blowfly. Blowfly. A blowfly is a type of insect belonging to the family Calliphoridae. They are known for their distinctive metallic blue or green coloration and for being attracted to decaying organic matter. Blowflies play an important role in forensic entomology as they are often the first insects to colonize a dead body, and their presence can provide important clues about the time of death. They are also used in medical research as a model organism due to their fast life cycle and ability to reproduce quickly. Despite their important ecological and scientific roles, blowflies are often considered pests by humans due to their association with filth and decay.